Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about multiplication and division. Last video, I talked about like terms, which is what we need to find when we are doing addition and subtraction in algebra. If you want to know more like terms information, you can check out on the right top corner here. In general, when we are doing addition and subtraction, we need to find the like term first. For example, 4a plus 2b minus 3a, we find the like term and subtractor equals to a plus 2b. However, in multiplication and division, any two terms, like or unlike, can be multiplied together to produce a single term, which is different from addition and subtraction. For example, x minus y. You can't really solve this formula because x and y are not like terms. However, in multiplication and division, we can actually times x and y together equals to xy, as well as x divided by y equals to x over y. And what we need to pay attention here is that we need to write the term in alphabetical order. For example, we write 3ABC instead of 3BCA. Okay, now let me give you some example questions. Okay, these are the two questions. You can pause the video and attempt it. I hope you are all finished, and let me show you how to do these questions. Question A, 4 times 3a. As I said, in multiplication, we just need to times those two terms together. So I can represent 3a as a, and a. And we need to find 4 of those. So 4 times 3 equals to 12, equals to 12a. It's not that hard, and I believe most of you get it right. Okay, question B, 3p times 2pq. Same as always, we just times these together, equals to 3 times 2 equals to 6, and this 2p, so we times those p together, p squared. Last but not least, don't forget there's still a q here, so you need to put it in the answer. The answer is 6p squared q. Okay, I hope it's all clear for you, and let's move on to division. These are the two examples. You can pause the video and attempt it yourself. Okay, let's look at the questions. Question A, 15a divided by 3. So, as I said, in division, we just need to divide them. So, look at this formula. What can we see? This is 15 and 3, so we divide 15 by 3, which equals to 5. And there's still an a left here, and there's nothing it can be divided, so 5a. Pretty simple, isn't it? Now let's look at question B. Negative 24xy divided by 6y. As we can see here, there's y in the numerator and there's also an y in the denominator. So we can cancel them out because y divided by y basically equals to 1. So we can cancel them out. Left negative 24x divided by 6. And now it's pretty obvious that we can divide negative 24 by 6, which equals to negative 4. There's nothing that x can be divided by, so we just write it down. The answer is negative 4x. We now know how multiplication and division works. Let me show you some extension questions. Question A. 2x over 3 divided by 3x over 5. First, we can see that there's a divide here. As we know that if we are dividing something, we are multiplying its reciprocal. So we can write this formula as 2x over 3 times its reciprocal, which is 5 over 3x. We then multiply the numerator and the denominator, which equals to 10x over 9x. Are we finished? Not yet. There's still an x here, x here, so we can cancel them out, which equals to 10 over 9. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you are all cleared and understand all the concepts, and please subscribe. I'll see you next time.